The 2015 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless ignition, iPod adapter, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.